ClickTecs, creativity with expertise. Welcome to the hotel Saas web and mobile application demo. What you see here is the screen where all the users will log into the web application. I'm logging in as the super admin of the application where the entire application is controlled from. First thing I can do here is to create a new hotel, choose a logo file, name, address information, and add the hotel. Once it's added, it'll show up in my list of hotels. I can now add a new user, so I will enter their name, email address, a password, and what type of user they are and what hotel they belong to. For example, they belong to this hotel and they are a hotel administrator. Once this is added, they will show up in the list of users. I'm now going to log out and log back in as the hotel administrator. As the hotel admin logs in, the first thing they can decide is to pick the type and template they want to use to control the look and feel of the application. They can decide the menu structure and what content shows up on each page. They can also create facilities, for example, different types of rooms, pool areas, etc., with geolocations so that push marketing can work well inside the app. Push marketing can be used, for example, by the hotel administrator to send a message to all people within a 200-foot radius of the pool to offer them a 2-for-1 drink special. The app will automatically calculate everyone's location and send the pertinent people the special offer. They can also create an event, which is where a lot of the functionality of the application lies. They can select the event name, the organization holding the event, the start and end date, and save this event. Once it's saved, it will show up in the list of events saved in that section. Let's jump over to the mobile application, divided into two parts: the hotel side and the event side. The hotel side is where all the templates you had created, the look and the feel, the pages are all showing up. You can put restaurant menus, the directions of the hotel, the maps of the hotel will be activated from here as well. On the other side of the app, the event side is where all the active events created in the system are showing up. You can see two events here, which is exactly what you can see in the back-end system. So let's log into one. Now, this list of user IDs can be created by the event organizer, and they can be uploaded on an Excel sheet or entered manually on the web application. As I log in, I get to see what the event is all about, what time it starts, the description, a map of all the different locations of the event, the schedule, and when all the different items are taking place. I can click into any one of the presentations and see what it is all about. I also have the ability to accept whether I want to attend that event or not, and if I do choose to accept it, it'll automatically get added to my iCal on the iPhone. I can also see all the different presenters and what they are speaking about. I get to see a picture of the presenter and some text about the bio of the presenter. I also have the ability to download presentations and documents from that presenter, and these can be time released, so I can set it so that when my presentation ends at 12:45 on Wednesday, I can make the slides available to download by 1 o'clock. Similarly, for the exhibitors, they can create their own little page, upload photos, download any specific documents that they want to have there. Also, when a user goes to a particular exhibitor's page, they can check in to essentially stamp their passport to say that they had visited the exhibitor's stall. Some additional functionality is the ability to do push notification directly from the web app, when you can type a message and geolocate people and send it directly to their phones. Also, a friends feature to track on a map where all your friends are during the event and what presentations and booths they had visited. Thank you for listening to our hotel and events mobile application, and I hope you have a great day. ClickTecs, creativity with expertise.